Put it in your ads. And when I'm talking about it, I'm talking about engaging content that gets your business the attention that it deserves.
I was a little worried at first. I'd never put that much stuff in my ads before, but Kristine Mirelle helped me stretch my limits, and you know what? I actually enjoyed it.
I even let my friends put all kinds of stuff in my wife's ads.
Yeah, we even put one of these in both of our ads. What? We sell a coaching program for hot dog vendors.
If you click that link below, I show entrepreneurs like yourself how to create killer ads and content that sells, so you can get more quality leads, which ultimately generates more paying customers.
Just when I thought I couldn't fit anything else in my ads, Kristine showed me how to fit one more thing in my ads, and my ads exploded.
Now it's simple. If you put boring stuff in your ads, no one's going to want to look at your ads. And if you want to get taken serious in this business, you got to get serious about what you put in your ads. So if you want to explode your business with engaging content and ads, check the description, click the link, or tap that ad.
And one day, we just kept putting things in my ads. Now my friends want to know what I've been putting in my ads. Piñatas, pianos, microwaves, Happy Meals.
The other night, we made so much noise putting things in our ads that the neighbors called the police. And we had them put things in our ads.
I hadn't had a young man put anything in my ads in a long time.